Hello and welcome to the trade setup. Today we are looking at Paycom, and I will shortly provide a very nice trade setup that could be actionable in the short to mid time frame. But yeah, let's go quickly through the large time frame first, and we have quite a simple structure here. We had a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a third wave up, a fourth wave down, and we are now tracking the fifth wave to the upside. It is much preferred by me that this fourth wave is complete. It could still be ongoing, but yeah, that would not be ideal, especially with the ongoing structure. At least not in the short time frame before we find more highs locally. So while this structure in the long time frame is simple, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are looking for a fifth. No underlying 1, 2s that we are tracking, or where we are within the third wave of a larger third wave. It's not anything like that. It's quite simple. But it does have one caveat though, and that is that we may be in an impulse in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be an impulse where wave 1, so wave 1, wave 3, and wave 5 are formed of 5 wave moves. I can count it like that, at least for wave 1 and wave 3 so far. Or it could be counted in the way that I could say that wave 1 and wave 3 are also 3 wave moves, so I would also expect the fifth wave to complete in a 3 wave pattern. So yeah, we have some uncertainty in that area, but regardless, that doesn't affect us, not at the moment anyway, because we do already have a 5 wave pattern to the upside here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have a wave 1 up, and now we are tracking an A, B, C correction that should complete a wave 2 to the downside, and then we would look for higher in the third wave. Now, the nice thing about this is that, yeah, it could be a wave 1 and a wave 2 down here, and then we get a third wave, but it could also be a wave A, and then we get a wave B, and then a C wave to the upside. But in both cases, we are looking for higher after we complete this 3 wave move correction, if we find support in the support zone area. So with that said, let me add the count to the chart like this, and let me add the support zone to the chart. So what we are mainly tracking is this support zone between $208 down to around $160. We are still overall in the large time frame support zone for a wave 4, and this wave 4 could extend. It's not preferred, but it could extend, and that support zone extends down to $113 at least. But at the moment we have a 1-2 setup. The setups that we are always looking for are the 1-2 setups. Those are the most reliable, because even if we end up being in a larger correction where, let's say, we are still in the fourth wave and we had a wave A down, we would look for a wave B up, but that B wave up would also be a 3 wave move, and we had a 5 wave move, meaning this would be a wave A, a wave B, a wave C to complete the B wave. And of course, then we go in a 5 wave move lower, but that doesn't matter, because we did get the opportunity to catch some profits in this move to the upside that should follow. And alternatively, we are actually in the fifth wave and we go to new all-time highs. So benefits over benefits. Anyway, these are the levels. This is a trade setup, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And yeah, I hope to see you in the next one, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye bye.